Hey everyone. So, one of the people I love most in my life just jumped and ran on top of one of my flower beds. And then when I freaked out, he said, "Yeah, but Mom, everything's dead." And I said, No, just because it's winter and there's snow on the ground does not mean everything is dead. And so I thought, let's just go have a little peek around and see what is obviously not dead. Let's go. We've had loads of rain and gray days, but today the sun is out. We had a big dump of snow. So let's go investigate what's in my vegetable patch. See, I have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 raised beds, which I built around 10 years ago. And the dogs you just see over there, they kept coming in, so we put a temporary fence up using ski poles. But the dream is to eventually put picket fence. Okay, so what have we got here? We've got leeks, turnips, kale. I love rosemary. Garlic. Look at them all. And broccoli. So you see, there are loads of things happening in the garden in the middle of winter. Loads of things growing. You just have to look.